Hello. Today I am going to be doing a quick dental check on myself. I like to do this every so often because it makes me feel better about the health of my teeth. So this is not diagnosing myself. This is not in place of proper dental care, but I still like to every so often check my own teeth. Okay. So I am going to begin. Checking my gums with this quick pick instrument. Okay, let's begin. Okay. All right. Here is the gum tool. I'm going to get all ready again. Okay, so I am going to smile into the camera mirror and going to start in the back, going around the rim of my tooth. Okay. Everything looks good on top. Everything looks good at the bottom and the top. Okay. Now I'm going to get some floss out. Okay. It's very important to floss. So let's begin. I'm going to do it very gently between each tooth. Good so far. Let's do the bottom. The key is to go slowly and gently on this so that you don't snap and make your gums bleed. Sorry for my yellow eyeshadow. I think I went a little overboard on that. So that is real person dental, except on myself. Okay, so I have a little crack in my tooth that I may need to get professionally fixed, but as far as everything else, it looks pretty good. Now I'm going to take my toothbrush. And similar to dry brushing your skin, I am going to dry brush my teeth and my gums to ensure that my gums are in fact in good health. Okay, here we go. Getting a little bit on the gum. Getting a little bit on the gum. Always going in circles. All right, no inflamed gums. No inflamed gums. So that was the gum check. The gum check, the gum check, the gum check. And it looks like I passed the gum check. Now here is the toothpaste, which I will not be using in this video, but these things I do want to continue tapping around. Tooth molar, eye teeth, two front teeth, eye tooth, molar, bottom, so it all looks really good still. Really good. Really good. Okay, so I think my teeth have passed the gum and tooth check. So, and now I am going to put my toothbrush back on its case. Where did my toothbrush go? So now this is safe and protected. I've got my floss. I've got my plaque removers, which I'm going to put the lid back on them, like so. I've got my toothpaste, as well as my mouthwash that I will be putting into my dental stash for when I brush my teeth. So now I am going to sterilize the rest of the area. but let me just do a final run through of my teeth. Okay, and hopefully you can start implementing your own self-checks. Make sure your gums are good as well. It's very important. So, I'm going to fold the sheets, the bed, back up. And I am going to pull off my gloves. And disinfect a little bit. Hygiene is very important. Very important. So guys, that was today's video. Make sure to share, comment, like, and subscribe, and check out my Patreon if you haven't already. And my membership, my first membership video will be posted very shortly. I'll keep you updated. So yeah, I really hope that you enjoyed this ASMR inspired self-dental check video. I know it was also very highly requested. So yeah, that was what I had for today, and I hope it inspired you to keep up with your own tooth and gum health, because it's very important. Very important. Very important. Very important. Very important. So, let you go. Hopefully it relaxed you, calmed you, gave you a sense of peace, and you can fall asleep a little bit easier tonight. Self-soothing, self-checking, self-care is the name of the game. And sometimes you just got to. So, I appreciate all you stopping by, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.